Okay, I mean, what's the plan?
So now it is time to have a lunch. So
Okay.
that's why I'm going to take you to a very authentic place for eating.
Mm-hmm.
There is a place only for kebab. They
Okay.
don't have anything else.
Okay.
It is famous for kebab. So we can go there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I'm so excited to have kebabs in Mazar Sharif. Let's go. So we finally made our place here for the kebabs. Oh wow! Look at him. How is he making kebabs? Oh, this is so good. Okay, this smells so good. Man, this place is full. Assalamu alaikum. This place is full. Assalamu alaikum. So, wow. This place is full. Assalamu alaikum. Oh, it's going deeper and deeper inside. Where are we now? Assalamu alaikum. Okay, let's go. The green tea. Okay. So this is where we sit. And to have some kebabs.
گفتم یک دو کباب.
بله. Look how is he making the kebabs with spices on there, make it a little bit more spicy. Assalamu alaikum. Tashakkur. Is it good? Yeah?
He said you want to eat with us?
No, shukran. Thank you. Tashakkur. Is he angry when I said no to him? Is he angry or no?
No.
Okay.
It is behavior of Afghanistan that where you go,
They offer me.
Yeah.
They offer me. Yeah.
اصلا از پاکستان است خود از نخورترکی در اتریش کلان شده از اتریش آمده
Jom खाने को ना बहुत अच्छा है भाई
बहुत अच्छा है हाँ उर्दू बोलता है
थोड़ा थोड़ा
थोड़ा थोड़ा कहाँ सीखा उर्दू
मूवी से
मूवी okay oh wow it's a place like heaven all friends
no corona नहीं यार
no corona there is no corona
corona भी
Kavan Ali yeah
his name is Nabi
Nabi
My name is Muhammad Nabi.
your name is Muhammad Nabi wow it's a beautiful name Muhammad Nabi
بله
so, आपका नाम क्या है
मेरा नाम हमीदुल्लाह है
हमीदुल्लाह हमीदुल्लाह
تیمور هم
मेरा नाम अरशद है अरशद अरशद
good ass
wow so great people and look our kebab is already here
Yeah.
and there's so many
Zindabad,
kebabs
Pakistan.
Afghanistan Zindabad Pakistan Zindabad
Sadr Azam Zindabad.
who
Pakistan.
Pakistan Zindabad
Sadr
Afghanistan
Azam.
Sadr Azam
صدر اعظم
who Sadr Azam
درباره کی گپ می‌زنی؟
president के नहीं
Sadr Azam Pakistan.
Pakistan Sadr
Nukhost Wazir Sadr Azam Pakistan.
okay
Prime Minister of Pakistan he
the
said.
Prime Minister
Yeah.
Imran Khan
Zindabad. Zindabad.
Imran Khan Zindabad
Zindabad.
Afghanistan
Imran
Zindabad
Khan. Imran Khan Zindabad. Imran Khan.
Afghanistan Zindabad also
Pakistan.
Yeah.
Imran Khan Zindabad.
oh great look at them they're so spiritual I mean so you don't find something like this anywhere in the world people like this
Imran Khan. Sadr Azam. Zindabad.
yeah wow
Beterin.
बेहतरीन
Pakistan Beterin.
बेहतरीन
Imran Khan.
इमरान खान बेहतरीन
Beterin.
अफगानिस्तान also बेहतरीन अफगानिस्तान also जिंदाबाद Afghanistan خوب است.
افغانستان خوب است. صدر اعظم عمران خان زنده باد.
Okay, why do they like Imran Khan here? Why do they like him?
مگه چرا عمران خان رو دوست داریم؟
بسیار یک مرد شجاع،
He is a مرد شجاع, okay?
بهترین مرد شجاع،
Yeah,
کارکن،
yeah,
صادق،
yeah.
وفادار به وطنش.
وفادار به وطنش, okay?
به
Yeah.
مردمش وفادار.
He's very honest, he says, and also he's a brave man and honest for his people.
His people,
That's
yes.
why we love
غریب
him.
نواز
Yeah,
برای غریبای خود دست دراز میکنه، کمک میکنه، وطن خود میسازه،
yeah,
دلجویی میکنه. او تو انسان کم پیدا میشه در پاکستان.
yeah.
زنده باد صدر اعظم
Sadr Azam.
عمران خان.
I think so I understood half of it,
چای
but all he says was is a praise to Pakistan, praise to Imran Khan, the Prime Minister of Pakistan, and also praise to Afghanistan as well. Great.
بازسازی های خودم میکنه،
Yeah.
وطن خودم میسازه. واقعا جوان است،
Javanas.
جوان
Yeah.
است. ما خوشمون میاد، واقعا دوست داریم. زنده
Okay.
باد.
Sinta.
He says he is the one that he loves his country and always he thinks of his country and work for it. So that's why we love.
Okay. Okay, that's good.
So now about kebab. So this kebab is very famous in Afghanistan and in Mazar I Sharif. This place, this authentic place is called Khalagul and here
Khalagul.
is very famous inside Mazar I Sharif. So
Okay.
that's why I took you here.
Okay. Okay, so now we are at a very famous place
یک
in Mazar I Sharif, Khalagul, for the kebabs.
یک چیزی عمران خان بگویم که در داخل خانهش یک دانه سگ که خود نگاه کرده بود. سگ، گرگ است.
Yeah.
تایگر میگن نیم؟
Tiger, yeah.
تایگر.
Tiger.
اینی افتخار کردم برش، گفتم زنده باد.
Okay, he's really fan of Imran Khan. Yeah. Afghanistan Zindabad, Pakistan Zindabad.
صدر اعظم زنده باد.
صدر
عمران
اعظم
خان
زنده.
باد.
Okay,
Okay.
you can start.
So,
Before getting cold.
yeah, because you will get cold.
نوشی جان.
Join us.
نوشی جان. نوشی.
Aa jao. We are full? Okay. Okay. Well, let's have some food. Okay, I hope I will be able to make it somehow.
Just take like this.
Okay, I can put this here.
I get this.
No, it's okay. I think it will be okay. Okay. I take one kebab like this. I have this bread.
نه یک ده خودش یک چینلک داره اونجا نشون بگم که افغانان یه جور نمیبینن.
ببینه خوبه، ببینه خوبه. هیچ مشکل نداره.
یوتیوب داره چاینا چی هست
چیز مال مام نیفهم باشه خودش بسازه.
Oh, this one is so beautiful.
کم
He said let's take a photo.
زنده باد پاکستان، زنده باد. عمران خان صدر اعظم زنده باد.
Shukran, tashakkur. Afghanistan also great.
Can you speak Arabic?
A very little bit. شوية. نتكلم عربي شوية.
مين تعرف أنت كلام عربي؟ وين؟
أنا كنت في السعودية
كم
سنتين.
سنة يعني؟
سنتين.
سنتين؟ كم سنة؟
20 سنة. 20 سنة أول أنا كنت في السعودية.
يعني سنة 2000 في الميلاد.
نعم سنة 2003 2002
أنت في ساكن يعني في السعودية؟
أيوة.
هذا يجلس في بيت بس واحد.
نعم بعد سنتين في السعودية ارجع النمسا.
وين عائلة أنت؟ أنت عائلة وين؟
عائلة في النمسا.
وين؟ الحين لا أنت روح في سوا في عائلة في السعودية ولا واحد بس؟
No واحد في النمسا وعائلة الآخر so later.
My friend.
نمبری مرا بگی، نمبری مرا بگی.
My WhatsApp, yes.
نمبری مرا بگی، نمبری مرا.
Yeah.
He says take my number.
Okay.
Give me your cell man.
نمبری مرا بگی.
Okay, so you can
You can give it to me. and-
صفر افسر.
you can okay.
لوجان 0700
It's all happening here in Mazar on the very first day.
270
So amazing people.
به نام کی ثبت کنم؟
محمد نبی کارمند شهرداری مزار.
محمد
محمد نبی کارمند شهرداری مزار. مهمان میشی بکنیم ما مهمان.
You're Mehman?
خودت مهمان ما باشو.
Oh, I think he's inviting us.
Yeah, he said.
He's inviting us to his home. I mean, that's amazing.
بسیار تشکر. بسیار خوشحالم که شما کلمه صحبت کنیم. بسیار
He
خوشحالم.
said that I'm very happy that you give the opportunity to talk with you.
I'm also very happy to talk to you.
I'm so
You're my friend, my brother.
شریف بگار که داشتید در شهرداری ما خدمتگارت هستیم.
He said that if you had anything, any issue in municipality, he works in municipality, so
Okay.
that's why I can help you.
Okay, I think I'm in a very safe place here in Afghanistan. Here's my friend here from municipality.
12 نای شورولی بودم 12 نای برنامه دارید روی خدمتگارت هستم.
In municipality, whatever you want, in 12 different places, I can do anything for you, he says.
Tashakkur,
تو
tashakkur.
شهردارم تو میبرم که شهردارم ملاقات کنیم.
He said, also I can take you to the municipal, the head of the municipality, and I can take the chance for you to meet him.
It's good, I think you should do this.
We can call him.
Yeah? We have the number. I will call you.
Thank you very much.
No, shukran. To be here for lunch. The people that. So he brought me a glass, a bottle of water. So
Thank you very
tashakkur.
much.
Tashakkur, shukran. Oh wow. Wow. I mean, I cannot say this in words how happy I am to be here now. I was not expecting that. And like these people here, they're just my friends and my brothers. I'm out of words, really. Literally, I'm out of words. I mean, all those people who say to me, don't go to Afghanistan, stay here, don't go there, I think they're all wrong. I'm here totally safe. They're all friends, they're all brothers. I'm totally safe here. And please, everyone from Pakistan, if you're watching this, to come here. It's a very safe place for us. All the friends. It was so amazing that I forgot to show you the food. So the kebabs with onions and the chili and the cucumber and with bread. So how I do is that I take the bread and I take it now with the kebab like this. Chili, and I hope it's not spicy. Let's try. Oh, it is spicy, of course. Oh yeah. Something more. But it tastes amazing. The perfect taste which you can ever have. Oh, this chili. I want to eat more. Oh, my mouth is burning now. Shit. But it tastes good. Believe me. And more kebab.
Bon appetit.
Oh, it's good. Oh. Okay, guys. How is this kebab? Is good?
Yes, it's very good.
Very good.
Yes.
It's the best one here, or
Yes, it's the best one in the Mazar I Sharif.
okay? Why do you come only here?
Yes.
I mean, because there are also many some other places.
All the people come here for eating kebab.
نه مگه دیگه جایام میرن یا تنها همینجا میرن
No,
بخاطر کباب
just
خوردن؟
here.
Just here. What?
He said that we نه مگه به خاطر نان خوردن دیگه جای میرن به خاطر کباب خوردن تنها همینجا میرن. He said that we don't go any other place for eating kebab. We just prefer here if we want to eat kebab because we cannot find the best one in another place.
Okay. Wow. Assalamu alaikum.
300.
300.
Yeah, for 2 person.
Assalamu alaikum. So 300 for 2. 300 Fs for 2. This is around how much? I don't know. But I will write you the prices in euros or dollars afterwards, because I'm really bad in numbers and mathematics now. But what a place! What a place! Number 10. So the street, I don't know the street, but number 10.
Yeah, the street is Halagul Street.
Okay, Khalagul Street number 10.